The Law Factor with advocate Clarence Arenas Gandawa.
The Law Factor. Legal gamesmanship. When lawyers weaponize loopholes. The verdict speaks. Greetings of the day. When tactics eclipse truth, justice is mocked. Today we expose the courtroom games that twist procedure into strategy. Lawyers must defend, not distort, the law. This is not cleverness, it is corruption. The verdict speaks. Every Thursday. Ethical scrutiny without exception.
Across courtrooms and chambers, lawyers are praised for being strategic. But let's pause. What happens when strategy becomes sabotage? Legal gamesmanship is the art of winning without truth. It's the use of loopholes, delays, and technicalities to distort justice. And when lawyers weaponize the law, the courtroom becomes a battlefield, not a sanctuary. Let's be clear. The law is not a game. It is a covenant of clarity, fairness, and dignity. And when lawyers treat it as a contest, they betray its purpose. Justice must not be outmaneuvered, it must be upheld. This is where we begin, not with tactics, but with truth. The anatomy of a loophole. A loophole is a gap in the law, unintended, unnoticed, or unaddressed. It allows lawyers to argue what was never meant, to delay what should be resolved, to protect what should be punished. And so, justice becomes conditional, available only to those who can afford manipulation. This is not brilliance, it is betrayal. Case study, the delayed custody battle. In Manzini, a father used procedural delays to avoid custody hearings for 2 years. His lawyer filed motions, adjournments, and jurisdictional challenges. The mother waited. The child suffered. This is not advocacy. It is obstruction. And it happens when lawyers prioritize victory over virtue. Ethics in practice, the lawyer's oath. Lawyers swear to uphold justice, not just win cases. But when fees rise with delays and prestige grows with complexity, the oath fades. We must restore ethical clarity. That means penalizing frivolous motions, rewarding timely resolution, training lawyers to serve, not scheme, because justice is not just a result, it is a process, and that process must be protected. Let's talk Parliament, closing the gaps. Loopholes exist because laws are vague, outdated, or inconsistent. Parliament must audit statutes for ambiguity. Every clause must be tested for misuse. Every procedure must be streamlined for fairness. Because when laws are porous, lawyers become predators, and the citizen becomes prey. Now we speak to the public. Citizens must know when they are being misled. A lawyer who delays without cause is not defending you. They are draining you. Ask questions, demand timelines, because legal service is not a mystery. It is a mandate, and you deserve clarity. Eswatini in focus in the continental mirror. In Eswatini, court delays are often blared on complexity, but complexity is sometimes manufactured. In Nigeria, judicial reforms now penalize delay tactics. In Kenya, fast-track courts resolve family cases within 90 days. Eswatini must follow suit, because justice delayed is not just denied, it is designed. Lawyers must be guardians, not gamers. The courtroom is not a chessboard. It is a chamber of truth, and truth must never be postponed for profit. Don't just hire a lawyer, hire integrity. Don't just seek a win, seek justice. The law must defend louder. The law moves forward, you must move with it. See you next Thursday. The work continues.
Springfield Law Clinic, justice defined, rights protected. We are here to serve.